Hello and welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today I would like to present to you this interesting business opportunity. A 3-star boutique hotel consisting of 3 two-level structures, in total 25 rooms to operate, 2 pools for the adults, 1 for the children, sea view from terraces and from the balconies, gym, jacuzzi, restaurant and outdoor living with a beautiful garden. Location of the hotel is just walking distance to the best beach in Portugal, Porto de Mos. It's walking distance to the historical town of Lagos, near the best cafes and restaurants, near shopping, 1 hour away from international airport Faro, and only 2.5 hours from Lisbon. So why considering this business opportunity? The 3 structures are in excellent shape, which means it will provide the capital growth. On the service level, the hotel is highly rated by its guests, meaning it will deliver the cash flow. And another important factor, the town of Lagos is expanding its marina. It's adding high-end hotels, and all this together will increase the interest and demand for this destination. I would like to thank you for taking this video tour. If you're interested in this business opportunity, please reach out and we can talk business, numbers. This has been Cheers from the Algarve.